So I pray every day for the strength to go on and work hard for the benefit of the Thai people.
Do you both believe in the idea of original sin, that every person is born with some kind of sin? Your Majesty,
There's no sin. There's no sin because as I told you, there is the original purity, which has been spoiled by or covered by what we call sin. This is just the opposite. It is the original purity. The original thing that is light, it is beautiful.
It's extraordinary when your mind is at peace, tranquil, then you don't feel the tiredness so much. You don't mind the pain or tiredness. Just like the monk, the one I have here, he died of cancer at the throat. I asked him whether he felt the pain or not. He told me that if your mind is tranquil, then you don't feel any pain, not at all. You feel only that you have done the best of your life for the others. He said that's the only way to achieve happiness. Loving kindness is the real thing one should give to other person. To give, not to take only, to give, to love. So that's the reason my husband and I can work year after year, day after day, without being ill. But we know that when it's time to die, nobody can escape. So it's better that we contribute as much as we can to society and reserve some small limited time for us. At first, I was very much afraid of death. But later on, I met a great teacher, a monk, who told me never to be afraid of death because it's natural occurrence. If you have good intention towards the others and you have done all you can do for your country and for human beings, even if you died, your soul or spirit or mind will be in peace.